paleontologists at the University of Toronto and the Royal Ontario Museum have discovered a new fossil species that shed light on the origin of Mandibulates, the most abundant and diverse group of organisms on Earth, to which animals belong relatives such as flies, ants, crayfish and centipedes. The finding was announced in a study released today in Nature. The creature, called Tokummia katalepsis by researchers, is a new and exceptionally well-preserved fossilized arthropod, a ubiquitous group of invertebrate animals with segmented limbs and hardened exoskeletons. Tokummia documents for the first time in detail the anatomy of the first Mandibulates, a hyperdiverse subgroup of arthropods that possess a pair of specialized appendages known as jaws, which are used to capture, shred and cut their food. Mandibulates include millions of species and represent one of the greatest evolutionary and ecological successes of life on Earth. Despite its colossal diversity today, the origin of Mandibulates had largely remained a mystery. Cedric Aria, lead author of the study and recent graduate of the doctoral program at the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at the University of Toronto, now working as a postdoctoral researcher at the Nanjing Institute of Geology and Paleontology in China. So far we have had only scattered clues to what the earliest arthropods with jaws might have looked, and I had no idea what the other key features that triggered the incomparable diversification of the group might have been. Tokummia lived in a tropical sea full of life and was one of the greater predators of the Cambrian, superior to 10 centimeters of length, completely extended. A swimmer from time to time, researchers conclude their sturdy forepaws made a preferred bottom inhabitant such as lobsters or mantis shrimp today. The samples come from 507-million-year-old, sedimentary rocks near the Marble Canyon in Kootenay National Park, British Columbia. Samples were collected from most of the base of the study during extensive ROM field work conducted in 2014. This spectacular new predator, one of the largest and best-preserved soft-bodied arthropods in the Marble Canyon, joins the ranks of many unusual marine creatures that lived during the Cambrian explosion, a period of rapid evolutionary change that began about 500 million years ago, when most of the major animal groups first appeared in the fossil record.